Haha. And then I want to do that. Everything went off. Great. Hey guys, so I'm sorry for my big butt in the camera shot there.
I can't open my...
Help your sister open that soda.
Okay.
So my dinner is...
Boop.
I have the chicken meatballs. Get off the table. Get off the table. Chicken meatballs. A whole tomato. And broccoli. And water. Eat.
Like a Pepsi.
Eat your chicken nuggets or else I'm never giving you Pepsi again in your life.
Okay.
Where I go, dump all that crap out. I don't think it.
Don't get...
Eat that mac and cheese. Or I whoop your behind. Enough is enough.
Why?
Because you are aggravating.
I'm eating the mac and cheese. Oh.
Trying to move you all closer, right? Guys, I'm gonna get a new tripod tonight. No.
What? Why?
Bring your mac and cheese in there.
Sorry, guys.
Oh my gosh.
I want my...
Bring your mac and cheese in there, please.
Goodbye.
Okay. Goodbye. You never drink a soda again.
Dad? Hey.
So good.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
4 of these meatballs are 150 calories. The tomato, the whole one is 35. And I cut these in half.
I thought it was as much as a Pepsi.
I'm not really sure how much the broccoli is, but it's like Stop, you're shaking the camera. Eat your food.
Who is?
And I'm checking your folder.
Sally, what are you doing? I'm hiding it by the big wolf. Don't do that. I'm doing it.
You better jam on me with those chicken nuggets, boy.
Well, I didn't even want chicken. If you asked how many chicken nuggets I want. Why didn't...
Chicken nuggets, what's for dinner?
What?
You sure weren't too full to eat that, drink that dang Pepsi. Whatever. Whatever.
What's whatever mean? What's the consequence?